So you're ready to put your code in your AP create task. How do we do that? Well, from Alice it's pretty easy. You have your game, and you go to the File menu, and you choose Export Code for Printing. Find a place like the desktop. You have to put something for author's name here, but you can't put your name. You can put your ID number and then create or something like that, just so you know it's yours, but your name can't be anywhere in the code. Now, I've already done that. You can see on the desktop I have this uber.html. That's what it comes out as. Now the next thing, we're going to open it in Microsoft Word. So you have to have Word open. And from Microsoft Word, I'm going to choose File, Open. I'm going to go to my desktop and find uber.html. I'm going to open that up, and here's all my code. It's all set up for me here. The great thing, I'm in Microsoft Word. It's easy to edit. If I want this, to be a different size font, I could come up here and change this, make it smaller if I need to. Any of the fonts here, and so I've got these built-in drawing tools that I need, and it's under Insert, and I have shapes here. And I need ovals and rectangles. So I'm just going to grab my oval tool here. I'm going to find my first method right down here. And my call an Uber method calls two other methods. This is going to be the one that I'm using. This is my parent algorithm, so it calls world pickup and world earn money. I'm going to put an oval around this here. Now, notice it can totally, it's filled with blue, but I can change my fill color here to no fill, and I can change my outline color, and I can change the thickness of the line. I can do all kinds of stuff in here. So that's good enough for now. I've got that one oval. But I need to put an oval around three items here. This one, I'm also using this pickup, so I'm going to go back to my shapes and grab the oval tool again, and I will draw another oval here. And again, I have to change my fill color. And then there's a third oval that I need to get, but it's got to go over. See how this goes onto 2 pages? This method here goes onto 2 pages. I'm going to fix that. I'm just going to go in here, hit return a bunch of times, and now this oval, this is on 1 page, and I can easily put an oval around it. If it's still too big for 1 page, you might have to select the whole thing and change the font size. I don't. There's other things you could do. You could call me over and get my help there. But here, this last one, I'm just going to put an oval around that, so you know. I'm going to do an oval here around this whole thing. And turn off the fill color. So there's an oval. You're also going to have to put a rectangle around an abstraction. And the great thing is that any one of these could probably count as an abstraction. I'm going to use set prices here. So I'm going to go and make a rectangle. And my rectangle goes around set prices there. And again, no fill. And then finally at the end, I've marked this up how I need to. I go File. I'm going to save. And then File. I want to make this a PDF document. On my computer, I choose Print. And I can save it as a PDF when I go and print it. and I saved it as a PDF. It's on the desktop, and now here's my PDF. This is what I could turn in. Notice I've got a rectangle here, and I've got my 3 ovals in there. That's it.